Hello everyone, welcome to PULID. So what is this AI tool all about? It's an open source tool available on GitHub and other platforms. Let me show you how it works and what it does. It's called PULID, okay? It stands for Pure Enlightening ID Customization via Contrastive Alignment. What does that mean? Basically, they're using a new technique to maintain character fidelity. It's a free model with high fidelity, improved effectiveness, and reduced AI interference. They've provided the code here, in case we want to access GitHub. The code with the model is all here. It's not on Pinocchio yet, okay? I'm not sure when this tool was released. It's only got 526 likes, so I figured it must be recent. Oh, it turns out it's from 6 months ago. Well, maybe it hasn't gotten popular enough for Pinocchio to feature it yet. For those who don't know, Pinocchio is a tool that makes it super easy to get other tools, alright? It's open source. If you use a lot of open source tools, I highly recommend it. You know how installing open source tools can be a pain, right? Downloading files, opening consoles. It's all so tedious. It's just, well, Pinocchio lets us do all that with just one click. One click and Pinocchio does everything automatically. So I'll show you a few examples here. I'll teach you how to use it in another video, but here's a quick demo with a girl. Okay, we select her and input the prompt. Cover, cinematic, wolf ears, white hair. Got it? Negative prompt. Well, let's specify no hair, no low quality, and so on. Now we just click generate, okay? Generate. As you can see, it's configured the TFG based on various results, and well, error. It's giving me an error in both Chrome and Brave. But I assure you, the result is really good, okay? Error now due to high traffic on Hugging Face, I guess. But the results I've seen are truly impressive. So how can we use PULID? Well, we can use it locally if we save it on our computer. But let me show you how to use the tool, okay? For this, I'm on Hindface using the PULID demo. Basically, how does it work? They give us some tips here. It says, we give you examples, try the sample prompts first. Usually it tells us one image is enough, but we can also use auxiliary images. They offer two models, fidelity mode and extremely stylistic mode. In most cases, the fidelity model should be sufficient, but if you find the generated results lack style, you can choose the extreme style option. So here's where we'd put the image, okay, of the person whose character we want to maintain. You know what this tool is about, right? It's for keeping the same face or person or character in different situations. For example, taking this girl and turning her into a chef while keeping her face the same. So in this case, we'd put the prompt here, okay? That's where we specify what we want and how we want it. Here, for instance, they say they want it in portrait mode, right? That would be the aspect ratio, first of all, okay? It's the image format. They want it in cinematic style with wolf ears and white hair. And here they've added the negative prompt, see? Well, they don't want hair on the face. No deformities, no low resolution, got it? The negative prompt is for things we don't want to appear, okay? Then we have the CFG, which they recommend setting between 1 and 1.5 comma, alright? I understand this is based on image quality. We have samples set to 4, the seed stays similar, and the steps, right? The steps are how many iterations the AI tool uses to generate the image. More steps don't necessarily mean better results, okay? But it will take longer. I say results might not improve because, for example, if you ask for a girl with a chef's hat without proper negative prompts, more steps won't fix an incorrect image. It'll just keep improving the quality of a flawed image, got it? So steps enhance visual quality, not logic, understand? Then we have height and width, okay? In this case, it's 1024x. We have the scale ID, right? And here we have the mode, okay? Remember what we were told earlier about fidelity mode or extremely stylistic? I've tried to generate several times, but it's giving me an error. Anyway, if it worked, I'd show you some of the results. So that's it. This is the tool, and I hope you found it interesting. Also, it seems we have PULID Flux in Flux AI, okay? It looks like we can use it, right? I'm not sure if we need to log in. Yes, we do need to log in. I'll try it. Oh, look, it's letting me in. Here they show before and after examples. I've asked it to put a chef's hat on this girl. I'll generate it and see how long it takes. Should take about 5 seconds. But it seems it's ignored my request. Kept the girl the same, that's for sure. But I don't get why it changed the style. Maybe it's the advanced settings. Well, perhaps I should be more specific, right? But if here, we need to specify to keep the image style, I guess. I'm not going to bother with it now. So yeah, we can generate images.